Today we will discuss a theorem. Given any two non-zero integers a and b, there exist integers x0 and y0 such that GCD of AB is equal to ax0 plus by0. Now prove. Given that a and b are two non-zero integers. Here consider a set capital S is equal to ax plus by such that x and y belongs to z and ax plus by is strictly greater than 0. Now put x is equal to a and y is equal to b. Therefore ax plus by is equal to a into a plus b into b is equal to a square plus b square, and here a is non-zero, b is non-zero, so a square is positive, b square is positive. Therefore a square plus b square is strictly greater than 0. This implies a square plus b square belongs to S. Therefore S is non-empty set. Therefore by using well ordering principle, the set S has a least element. Say small g. This implies there exist integers x0 and y0 such that g is equal to ax0 plus by0. Now prove that g is GCD of a and b. Now claim g is equal to GCD of a and b. Now suppose here g does not divide a, therefore by division algorithm there exist integers q and r such that a is equal to g into q plus r for 0 is strictly less than r is strictly less than g. Therefore एक मिनट Therefore r is equal to a minus g into q. Here we put the value of g. Therefore r is equal to a minus g into q is equal to a minus ax0 plus by0 into q is equal to a minus ax0 into q minus by0 into q is equal to a into 1 minus x0 into q plus b into minus y0 into q. That is r is equal to ax plus by, where x is equal to 1 minus x0 into q belongs to z and y is equal to minus y0 into q belongs to z. that is r is equal to ax plus by belongs to S such that 0 is less than r is less than g, that is r is least element of S. Now this implies contradiction to G is least element of S. So implies G divides A. Now similarly G divides B, that is G divides A and G divides B. Therefore G is common divisors of A and B. Now here D is any other common divisors of A and B. This implies D divides A and D divides B. By definition of divisibility, there exist integer k1 and k2 such that A is equal to D into k1 and B is equal to D into k2. Now consider ax0 plus by0 is equal to dk1 into x0 plus dk2 into y0 is equal to d into k1 x0 plus k2 into y0. That is ax0 plus by0 is equal to d into k1 x0 plus k2 into y0. Here k1 x0, k2 y0 all are integers, so k1 into x0 plus k2 into y0 is integer, and if we remove that integer implies d divides ax0 plus by0 implies d divides g. This implies g is greatest common divisors of A and B, that is GCD of A and B is equal to G. Now thus for any non-zero integers A and B, there exist integers x0 and y0 such that GCD of AB is equal to ax0 plus by0. Thank you.